It's ready. We want to get that sexy body. We want to find our way. So here I am. After getting your leaves, you have to dry them. In today's video, I want to show you how to make moringa powder and its benefits. Come with me. I hope you can see it from there. And this one here, it's seed. It also have some benefits, but today we are working on the leaves. Powder. Yeah. We can make face mask, get a smooth skin, but for this one we want to get that sexy body. We want to find our waist. If you want to lose your waist, you can use moringa powder, but I'll take you step by step, don't worry, so that you can make your own moringa powder. Yeah, and this tree is very beneficial. It has many benefits. You can check more on the Google, though I'll try to write some on the description box down there. But yeah, if you have time, just check moringa liver benefits. After getting your leaves, you have to dry them. Just let them dry on their own. So we'll be putting them here. Yeah, and give it some, it will depend how hot your place is. Like this one, Mombasa weather, I think by tomorrow it will be ready. So we'll check it tomorrow, the results. And don't let it stay under the sun for a long time. So just give it under the sun maybe 4 hours or 3 hours, and then you transfer it under shade to dry just on the shade, not from direct sun. So we'll come to check it. Let's just leave it there for now. And here are the seeds. I'll also let them dry outside, though somehow they are dried. But since I don't want to use them right now, I'll just leave them here. Always I've transferred it in a basket. That one there you can see. At least to avoid it drying up in the sun completely. Now I want to dry it under the shade. So what you'll do, like after some hours, you try to spread it around. Yeah, and the reason why I'm using this basket, it's also to avoid dust. So I've just found a way that I can cover my basket to prevent dust from getting inside. So here I am with moringa leaves. They have already dried. They took 3 days. I was expecting for it to dry up maybe in 2 days, but the weather was not that friendly, so it took a bit long, but finally it's here. So now we are trying to separate these branches out. We only need the leaves. We are working with the leaves. You see how the leaves have changed? It's okay even if you did not manage to take all the branches away. They are also useful, only that for me I prefer to use the leaves, but I think this one, I still have some remainings here of small branches. But it's okay, they are also useful, but because they're already dry. So it's ready. Let's do this. I hope we have checked the benefits of moringa leaves. I mean moringa tree in general, because it's not only the leaves that are useful. So if you haven't checked the benefits of moringa, please just go and check. I think if you check, that will be more interesting of knowing how to make your own moringa powder. So it's that simple, and it doesn't take long inside the blender. As far as you have made sure that your moringa leaves are already dried, like well dried. If they're well dried, it won't take more than 1 minute inside the blender. If you don't know where to get the moringa tree itself, well, I do sell also the moringa powder. So yeah, you can message me on Instagram, Dafri Travels or Dafri Bajun, or even Facebook, Frida Zioka, and make your order. That's super fast. Oh, you see how smooth it is. So job well done. Moringa leaves have been turned into moringa powder, and it was that simple and fast. I believe at this stage you've already Googled and checked the benefits of moringa leaves or moringa tree. Actually, moringa tree is one of those trees which grow very, very fast. If you have enough garden, or if you have a space in your garden, you can try. You can also try planting it in your balcony too. So it's there. And as you have seen, this one, it's very natural. There were nothing added here. You have seen from stage 1, since we went to the forest, harvest our moringa leaves, come dry them out, and now to the last process. You have seen the last stage have been into powder, so that doesn't have any expiring date. How to use moringa powder, I'll show you that. But for me, you can use it in different ways. For me, I just take it in hot water, put a slice of lemon, and I'm good to go. Sometimes I do put it on my salad. When I make salad, I just sprinkle, like address it with the moringa powder. So this one, it will also depend what's your target, what's your purpose of using it. If it's about losing weight or getting flat stomach, a tiny waist, this one will depend, like how many kgs do you have and how many kgs do you want to lose. For me, I take it once a day, which I find it enough. But you can take it twice a day. In the morning, actually, it's very effective if you can take it first thing in the morning before taking anything, and then later, after your dinner, now when you're going to bed, just take another glass. During daytime, if you want, you can still take it. But this drink is very effective, so you don't need to take it like many times a day. Twice a day, it's okay. Or even in the fruit salad, you can also sprinkle some there. It has a nice taste. Salt and moringa powder. Just 1 spoon. Just put 1 spoon. Add your lime or lemon. This one actually you can do without, but it's only to get that a good taste. You know, there is that uniqueness of a lemon. That's what I'm trying to get it out, so you can do without it. And again, lime is also very good for digestion and also for belly fat. It helps to cut out the fat. If you're a fries person, please check out this video again and again. Follow the process. And if you're a fries person, please, sometimes you can try to use lime or lemon also with your fries. If you're having moringa drink, give it a try and please let me know. Just use it in 10 days and check out your waist, check out your weight, your waist, and let me know on the suggestion box there your results. How fast did it work for you? How many days did it take for you before you saw that amazing results? At this point, I believe you've already subscribed to this channel. If you haven't, please do me a favor. Hit that subscription button there. Join me in all my adventures. Make sure that your notification bell is on for more amazing videos to come. See you in the next video. I love you all and stay safe.